We are coming up to Tuolumne Meadows, up the backside of Highway 120, and check out this view. Absolutely incredible. And the car just looks good. Yeah, pretty amazing. Great photo opportunity. Just amazing place. Bit of the time-lapse video of the trip. You can see it's just an incredible place. I'll follow up with some photos after this. You can just see some amazing photos of the car. But everything went well. The car was truly incredible. So we 1,600 miles on it, and this was definitely one of the highlights. This and the race itself. So yeah, if you get a chance, get up over Tioga Pass, and I highly recommend it. So let me throw some photos up of the car in different areas.